Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and today we're going to explore the Carrier Ester Inverter Air Conditioner. The outdoor unit hybrid jet of this AC uses a revolutionary hybrid cooling technology, which is a combination of air and refrigerant to cool your home like never before. To understand more about this AC, let's get into its features one by one. Now, this AC's outdoor unit comes with hybrid jet, a newly designed hybrid cooling technology. What this means is that the air cooling used for the compressor and the refrigerant pipe uses low temperature refrigerant to cool the outdoor e-box efficiently. This helps to improve the product performance even at a high ambient temperature of 55 degrees, whereas the 5-star variant can work efficiently at 52 degrees. All of us have different preferences when it comes to air conditioning. One major function that this has is its low voltage operation. It functions smoothly even at voltage as low as 195 volts. Another handy feature is its stabilizer-free operation. Now, this entire range of air conditioners, except the 12K 3-star, can work efficiently between 150 to 280 volts even at a temperature of 48 degrees Celsius without a stabilizer. The problem of coolant leakage is not really uncommon. This issue critically hampers the life of your AC and, needless to say, reduces the cooling efficiency. Now, this AC aims to resolve this for you. The early warning system detects refrigerant leakage and immediately turns off the AC while simultaneously displaying the relevant error code on the indoor unit. Doesn't that make it easy for you? Friends, with the quality of air degrading day by day, it has become very important to constantly maintain healthy air, at least inside the house. Carrier AC takes care of that too. This AC is equipped additionally with a PM 2.5 filter. Now, what is PM 2.5? It is a pollutant whose diameter is less than 2.5 microns or millionth of a meter, which makes it very difficult for most air purifiers and ACs to detect and repair. These particles can be a cause of some serious respiratory diseases. However, Carrier ACs filter these harmful particles and throw relatively purer air as compared to other ACs. Moving on to the next feature, this AC also comes with a Follow Me feature, wherein a sensor is placed inside the remote. When this feature is enabled, the main room sensor inside the indoor unit takes a backseat, while the specialized sensor inside the remote gets activated. Based on the information received from this remote sensor, the AC adjusts the ambient temperature for you. This sensor is capable of gathering temperature information even from the farthest corners of the room and then passing the same to the main unit, thereby ensuring optimum temperature throughout the room. To sum it up for you guys, I think this AC comes with plenty of interesting features which are going to drift all your cooling troubles away. So you can go right ahead and buy it without any second thoughts. Also, if you're buying it on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.